Have you ever noticed how the money you wait 30 days for disappears in 3 days? How your salary hits the account, you feel rich for a moment, and then suddenly you're counting days, not dollars. Here's the shocking part. Globally, more than 60% of working adults live paycheck to paycheck, even many earning over $60,000 a year. So this isn't a money problem, it's a behavior problem. And once I understood that, everything changed. Stay with me, because the shift that broke my cycle wasn't what I expected. And the last insight might be the one that frees you too. I used to think the trap was low income. That story felt comforting because it meant the problem wasn't me. But then I noticed something uncomfortable. Every time my income increased by $300 or $500, my lifestyle quietly followed. A better phone plan, more food delivery, slightly nicer weekends. Psychologists call this lifestyle elasticity, and it's deadly. The mistake most people make is celebrating raises by upgrading life instantly. What I did instead felt boring at first, but it planted a seed. I froze my lifestyle at my old income level and let the extra money sit untouched for 90 days. That pause created awareness. And awareness is the first crack in the trap. Because once you feel the difference between money that leaves and money that stays, your brain starts craving security more than pleasure. But that alone wasn't enough. Something deeper was still pulling me back. Here's what really kept me stuck. My brain treated spending like stress relief. After a long day, buying something felt like control. Studies show small purchases release dopamine, the same chemical as a win. The mistake is thinking discipline will beat chemistry. It won't. So I stopped fighting urges and started redirecting them. Every time I wanted to spend impulsively, I moved 25 into a separate account labeled Future Me. Watching that balance grow gave me the same emotional hit as buying something new. Within 3 months, that account crossed $1,000, and more importantly, my cravings changed. But this exposed another hidden leak I didn't expect. The real danger wasn't big expenses. It was timing. I spent first and saved whatever was left, which was usually nothing. Globally, people who save last are 5 times more likely to stay stuck financially. So I flipped the order. The moment my paycheck arrived, 20% disappeared automatically into an account I couldn't easily access. It felt scary the first month, then magical. My lifestyle adjusted downward without pain. When money isn't visible, it isn't tempting. And just when I thought I had control, a cultural trap almost pulled me back in. I realized I was spending to look stable, not to become stable. New clothes, eating out, being the friend who always says yes, but true wealth is invisible. The average self-made millionaire drives a modest car and keeps expenses boring. Once I stopped signaling success and started building it quietly, my savings accelerated. And here's the final shift that sealed everything. I stopped thinking in months and started thinking in buffers. Instead of asking, "Will I survive till my next paycheck?" I asked, "How many months of life have I already paid for?" When that number hit 3 months, my anxiety dropped. At 6 months, my confidence changed. Opportunities stopped feeling scary. Money stopped feeling urgent. Breaking the paycheck to paycheck trap didn't make me rich overnight. It made me calm. It made me intentional. And that's the real transformation. When you control the flow, the fear fades. And when fear fades, wealth finally has space to grow.